This video is sponsored by Roadtrippers. Roadtrippers provides you the tools for your next road trip. Thank you very much. This is a very useful adapter that I carry with me all the time. And this plug here is made almost exclusively for RVs and other traders. It's a 30 amp plug, and what this adapter does is allow your EV to pull a higher current and therefore delivering more power. Power is voltage times current. A normal household outlet is usually around 120 volt and 15 amps. Now if you are able to tap into the 30 amp outlet, you'll be amped up. Hey! Oh my god, the car is so dirty. They got such a nice view here and even have a picnic table. How nice! So the way I find free level 2 chargers is by going to plug share. Usually I just tap on every locations and specifically look for the one that has free charging, cost is free, and parking is free as well. The hours here is showing open 27. 4-hour charging limit, but it is a Sunday today. I don't think anyone will be here. The visitor center is also closed, and I'm just gonna plug it in for the night, bring down the seats and sleep in. What in the world? Nice tub.